Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my exact trade plan for EURJPY. So guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is Forex trader with over 18 years trading experience. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's dive straight to the analysis where we're breaking down what we're expecting from the EURJPY this week. So let's get started. EURJPY on my daily time frame have a powerful market structure that might trigger a big move this week and this coming month. So let's dive straight to the analysis of why we said we expect price to do a big move for the EURJPY. First, we can see we have the market structure of the Euro USD, because without the trend of the market, which is the market structure, you can't identify the direction of where the market is going. So let's look at the direction where the Euro JPY is truly going. So you can see from my chart, we can see we have the trend of the market still pushing higher, which is we have a series of higher low, then higher low. So this series of higher low is a sign of bullish momentum for the Euro USD. Then we now have a shift of trend here. When price close below this level, this indicates a reversal trend for Euro USD. Then we later have a break. Price retest back to create this lower high. Then price fail to go below this level. Then price creates another level of a higher low, then higher low. Then price close above this higher high, which signify the trend of bearish trend for the Euro JPY. So long price close above that level with this level, this is an indication of bullish momentum building up for buying opportunity for the Euro JPY. So long we have this kind of structure for buying structure, we don't have anything to do more than looking for more of the buying opportunity. You can see that the major structure on the Euro USD is already pointing more buys for the Euro JPY. So all we have to do now, we have to look at for the immediate trend of the market. So long the major structure is telling us to buy, let's look at what the immediate trend of the market is also doing, so that we can join the buy for the Euro JPY to the top. So let's look at the immediate trend of the market. So our immediate trend for the Euro USD, let's start. You can see that we have this lower low and a higher low. Then we have another level of a higher low here. These series of higher low indicate bullish momentum for buying opportunity for the Euro JPY. So long we have this strong bullish momentum for the Euro JPY buy, what will be our first target or the next target for us to buy the Euro JPY to? So let's look at the next target we're expecting price to buy to on the Euro JPY. So our next target for buying on the Euro JPY will be this next daily resistance level, which is this daily resistance level and this resistance level. So we now have a final conclusion from the daily chart that the market is pushing higher to that next resistance level. But we can't just take this trade like that. We need a confirmation from the higher time frame if the higher time frame support this buying opportunity from the Euro JPY. But before we do that, if you are a trader, still find difficult to find your edge in this market, to make money from this market, we help new traders, which is struggling traders, become profitable in this financial market. You can book for my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below, or you can get access to my video courses. The link also in the description below. So let's continue with the analysis on the Euro JPY. So the Euro JPY, let's look at the monthly time frame to confirm what we're expecting from the higher time frame, if the higher time frame truly supports this market movement. So let's look at the higher time frame. So from the higher time frame, we can clearly see that we have price rejecting from this monthly support level. So long we have price retracing from this monthly level, this indicates more bullish opportunity. See, we still have more bullish opportunity on the monthly chart for price to move to this resistance area on the Euro JPY, which is we expect price to keep pushing higher for the Euro JPY this coming month. So we can see that the monthly time frame is already indicating that price movement for buying opportunity on the Euro JPY. So let's look at the weekly time frame to confirm this movement. On my weekly time frame, we can clearly see that the weekly time frame have this buying structure already. You can see we have this lower low and a higher low, then higher low. So this series of higher low indicates also bullish opportunity for Euro JPY to this next resistance level, which indicates we're expecting price to keep buying up for the Euro JPY. So long the weekly, the monthly, and the daily are in the same direction, we can start looking to keep buying the Euro JPY. So our clear direction for this week, we holding more buys for the Euro JPY. So we can't look for any possible sells because the higher time frame are also pointing for more buys on the Euro JPY. So on the daily time, on the weekly time frame, we can also see that price converted this particular resistance into a support level and price close above it by converting this resistance to a support level. So we expect price to retest and keep buying for the Euro JPY to this next weekly resistance level. And that is what the Euro JPY is currently doing. So we expect price to keep pushing up for the Euro JPY. So let's go back to our daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see now that price is truly indicating more of the buying for the Euro JPY, which is we need price to also close above this level on the daily time frame for us to see more projection for the buying opportunity on the Euro JPY, which is we expect price to close above this level. We expect to retest, then start looking for more buys for the Euro JPY to complete this projection of what we are expecting for the Euro JPY. We find this analysis helpful. Do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more trading tips and forex analysis. See you in my next video.